Found it so empowering, really engaging. I love the monkeys.
Kept us very entertained. It will help a lot of people in different organizations.
We really enjoyed it.
Isabel, I'm the director of Discover My World. Today's empowerment workshop was all about skills and learning, not just for the workplace, but in life. I think we all face different challenges, and it's always nice to take a minute to reflect, learn, take some new strategies.
This will be really beneficial because we came here as a team, reflected together what we can do better, what's next, and how we can improve on what we do and excel in the things that we're doing right now.
So my biggest takeaway from this whole experience here today, the BAM, the AAA, the different monkeys, we were able to understand different people in my team and how it will make us respond to them better and how we can do things as a team to work more better. Everything that spoke about related to what we were going through, so kept us very entertained. We could relate it to our lives, personally and professionally. I would recommend it for everyone that work even in childcare or schools, even corporate for that matter, because people go through the same issues that we go through in different levels. It will help a lot of people in different organizations.
I found the workshop really engaging. I love the monkeys. I think that language is going to resonate with my team, which is amazing. And I also loved the simple things that can have really big impact. I really enjoyed today's workshop and I would strongly recommend it to different businesses. Found it so empowering, and I've definitely taken a lot of learning to bring into every day, but also in my role as the leader.